Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's Workshop. Today, I want to show you what I believe to be the ultimate Harbor Freight tool cart hack. Now, this will also work on other tool carts as long as they're built similarly to the way the Harbor Freight one is. This hack allows you to affordably improve your tool cart without any permanent modifications. There's no drilling, no welding, no cutting. It's completely passive and can be removed at any time, quickly and easily. It also gives you the ability to adjust it to your specific needs. Today, I'm going to show you 4 different versions. So stay tuned to the end so you can get plenty of ideas of how you can make yours work just for you. Now let's make something awesome. The first step is the same for all these iterations. You've got a piece of 1/4 inch plywood and you want a good quality piece that's not going to bow a whole lot on you. Some of the cheaper stuff is more flimsy, and it is 19.5 inches tall and 29.25 inches wide, and there are 3 slots cut out on it. Now I've got a template on my website. I'll put a link in the description. You can go there and you can download it for free. Make sure your cart matches the measurements before you start cutting your plywood. It's possible that there are different versions out there that I'm not aware of. But it's very simple. You can use a table saw or a circular saw to cut the width and length, and then we just used a drill and a jigsaw to cut out the slots. All right. I've already removed the struts from my toolbox, and now this will just snap in place. Now, once you put your struts back on, this board cannot come off. It's held on passively by those struts, and there's just enough clearance with a 1/4 inch board for those to fit on just fine. Now we can take this board and make multiple different arrangements. We'll start on the first one. This is the way I've been using my tool cart for the past few months. I've got all my long wrenches, standard and metric, and all my stubby wrenches. So this way, all the tools that I use the most often are right within arm's reach without opening up a drawer. I've got all my sockets, my wrenches, my screwdrivers, my ratchets, everything right here. The organizers I'm using are these Ernst gripper wrench organizers. I'll put a link in the description, so if you want to pick some up and use them, they're the only ones that I found that are flexible enough and grip enough to where even when the lid is closed, the wrenches will stay in place. Now in this position, I had to actually cut these organizers to make the sides parallel because they come in this V shape. Do you use all data while you're working on your cars, or just like to watch YouTube videos? Drill 4 holes in the back of the board and you can mount a computer monitor or TV to it. Do you bring an iPhone or iPad to work with you or out to your garage and need a place to put it? Just a few minutes and a little bit of scrap of wood, and you can make a holder for anything you want. Easy as that. Are you the kind of guy that likes all your screwdrivers right at your fingertips? Cut a scrap piece of wood, drill a few holes. And there you go. So what do you think? Do you love it or hate it? Leave a comment below and let me know either way. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. If you don't like this video, hit the thumbs down, but tell me why so I can get better. Now go make something awesome.